Welcome to my tutorial. This video will walk you through the process of differentiating implicit functions known as implicit differentiation. So we'll differentiate each of the following functions implicitly. Starting with the first question, x plus y all square equal 5. Now let's expand this. X plus y all square simply means x plus y times x plus y, they equal 5. X times x, x times y times x, y times y equal 5. We have x squared, sy plus xy plus y squared equal 5. Now let's differentiate this implicitly. Differentiating x squared gives 2x. Differentiating y here gives the y by the x. Differentiating x here gives, differentiating y squared gives equal, differentiating 5 here is 0 because the differentiation of our constant is 0. Now we'll collect like terms. We'll bring 2x divided by the x and 2y divided by the x together equal, taking 2x to the right hand side, that is the 2x crossing the equal sign changes to minus 2x plus 2y crossing the equal sign changes to minus 2y. So the y by the x will be equal to minus 2x minus 2y divided by 2x plus 2y. Minus 2 is common, that is when minus 2 multiply x gives us minus 2x. When minus 2 multiply plus y gives us minus 2y. On the denominator, 2 is common, and then we have x plus y. Minus 2x plus y divided by 2x plus y equal minus 1. So therefore, our dy by the x equal minus 1. Now let's answer question B. Let's differentiate x squared gives 2x plus differentiating y squared gives 2y divided by the x equal to 0 because 4 is a constant and the differentiation of a constant is 0. So we have this equal, when 2x crosses the equal sign becomes minus 2x. So therefore dy by the x will be equal to minus 2x divided by 2y. The 2 here cancels this 2. So we are left with minus x over y. Therefore our dy by the x is minus x over y. Now let's answer the C part of the question. Let's differentiate y. 2 times 4yx. Now let's differentiate x. Differentiation of x here is 1. So 1 times all x. Now let's differentiate x. 2 times minus 5xy raised to power 3. Now let's differentiate y. 3 times minus 5x squared. The power of y being 3 minus 1 gives y raised to power 2. Differentiating 4y, the power of y here is 1. 1 times 4 equal to 0. Now let's bring all the values with the y by the x together. That is this value, the x, and then plus 4, dy by the x, taking minus 10xy raised to power 3 to the right hand side. The minus sign goes, taking plus 4y squared to the right hand side. So dy by the x will be equal to these values divided by these values. Now let's proceed to answering the last question. Now let's differentiate x. 2 times xy. Let's differentiate y. The differentiation of y here is 1, so we are left with x. Then dy by the x. Let's differentiate y. 2 times yx. 2yx dy by the x. Let's differentiate x. The differentiation of x here is 1. 1 times y squared. Differentiation of 4x gives 4. Differentiation of 1 gives 0. Now collecting like terms. Bringing the values with the y the x together, x squared plus 2xy dy the x is equal to plus y squared crossing the equal sign plus 2xy crossing the equal sign plus 4 crossing the equal sign. So dy by the x will be equal to these values divided by x. I hope this video helps. Please do well to like this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Share this video with anyone who might find it useful, and if you have any question or topics you would like us to cover in our future video, please do well to drop that on the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.